we have 192.168.10.0 network here in this area, because 10.2254 is the IP address for this. Similarly, 20.1 is for this interface, 20.2 is for this interface. This is 192.168.20.0 network. And similarly, 30 network and the 40 network, 40.254, 30.254 and 30.253.
Yes.
Now let's go and everywhere. So how many networks are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Yes.
Each router R1, R2 and R3 should have 4 networks. R1 should have 10.0 and 20.0 directly connected, and 30 network at a hop count of 1, 40 network at a hop count of 2. Correct. R2 should have 20 and 30 directly connected,
Yes.
10 at a hop count of 1 and 40 at a hop count of 1. And likewise R3 should have directly connected 30 and 40,
Yes.
and 20 network at a hop count of 1 and 10 network at a hop count of 2. Now all this information is seen in the routing table. Like we can see show IP route. So for R1, 30 and 40 networks. What networks? 30 and 40 networks are in which direction? FA0/1.
Yes.
And are learned from what? 20.2.
Yes.
30.0 network at a hop count of 1 via this at this. And 192.168.40.0 network at FA0/1 via this at hop count of 2. Let's see, verify this. So that is what we get, 20.2 in fast Ethernet 0/1.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to further introduce you with this command. Show IP protocol. Right? Show IP protocol. What command will be given? Show
IP
protocols. So we will be covering things one thing at a time, but as of now let's focus on some of the parts. Okay, we know that sending it updates every 30 seconds.
Yes.
We know this. Good. And the next queue is after 24 seconds. That means 6 seconds have already passed, and after 24 seconds it needs to send. For now, forget about these things. We will be covering them and we will come to that. Okay, forget about this also. Let's go to this one. So it is saying default version control. What version are we running? Version 1. Saying send, what is it supposed to send? Version 1. It can receive any version. That is, it can receive version 1 or version 2. But because we have configured 1, it will only send version 1. Again, so what is the interface which is participating in RIP? FA0/1. Why? Because FA0/0 we have put it as passive.
Okay.
That is why it is not participating in RIP. Right? And in this, what is it is sending what version? 1. It can receive what? 2 or 1. It can receive 2 or 1. And then further it says automatic network summarization in effect. It is RIP version 1, so it will automatically summarize it.
Yes, sir.
Leave this part also, maximum path, we will come to it later.
Yes.
Leave that for now. Now, what is it routing for? What network is it routing? 10 and 20. Isn't it correct?
Yes, sir.
10 and 20 are its directly connected networks, and further we have issued 2 network commands.
Yes, sir.
One is for 192.168.10.0 and the other one is for 192.168.20.0. So that is why it is saying. And then further it is saying which interface is passive. Here it is, passive interface. Know it. Further it is saying routing information source. Who is the routing information source for R1?
Yes.
R2's interface.
Yes, sir.
R2's IP address. Which IP address? 20.2.
20.2.
Here it is. Right?
Yes.
And what distance?
Distance.
Not the hop count, but the administrative
Administrative
distance
distance.
is 120.
120.
And this is the default distance.
Yes, sir.
That is, we have not changed anything on it. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it should be very clear.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Let's go from R1 to R2 and see
Yes.
what is the case with it. Show IP route. Again, 20 networks is what?
Hop count. Yeah.
I'm sorry. 20 network and 30 network
Are directly
are directly
Directly
connected.
and
Are directly connected.
10. Yes.
The 10 network is at hop count of 1
Yeah.
via 20.1. 20.1 is the IP address of router 1's interface.
Yes.
At its fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. Right?
Yes, sir.
At its fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. Let's stretch this. And try to shrink this if it allows, which it is not allowing. Anyways, now you know what is what. Let us just select all of this and move it up here, so that this gives a better idea. Now you see,
Yes, sir.
right? Where are we? On R2.
Yes, sir.
And R2 10 network is via 20.1. 20.1 is what? This interface.
Yes.
On R2 which interface? Fast Ethernet 0/0, which is this.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 192.168.40.0, which is exists here, 40.0 exists here. On R2, it is getting this information from 30.53, which is R3's interface address.
Yes, sir.
And on what interface of its own?
Zero/1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now further, you should also be paying attention. Where did this IP address come from? It came from when the when R3 sent a RIT update where the RIP packet was encapsulated under UDP. UDP was encapsulated under IP.
IP.
And for that the source IP was this IP address.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is why it came here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
on which interface it learned? This interface. That is why it is showing that.
Yes,
Is
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Now let's go and look at the show IP protocols on this. Okay. Let's start from the top. From here. Routing protocol is RIP.
Yes.
Great. Sending update every 30 seconds, next queue in 25 seconds. Again, we are supposed to ignore these for now.
Okay.
Right? We are not looking at this for now because we haven't set it on this. Default version control is send one.
Version
Receive any version, just like that. Now, you remember what interfaces are participating in this? Fast Ethernet 0/0 here and 0/1. That is why it is showing
1. Both that.
both the
Yes,
interfaces.
sir.
Have we declared any passive here?
No.
No. Right? So that is why for FA 0/0 it is saying send 1, receive 2 or 1.
Yes.
And similarly on 0 and 1 also it is sending 2 and 1.
1.
Okay, let's move that. Again it is saying automatic network summarization is in effect. Fine. Wonderful. Maximum paths, we'll come to it later, as I said. Okay, what networks, routing for networks? Again 20 and 30.
20.
Right? And then any passive interfaces? None.
No.
Okay. Further, let's go down. Look at this. Routing information sources 2. What are the sources? 20.1 and 30.253. 30.253.
Yes.
Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is what it is. R2 it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if we go and look at R3, you will get a similar picture. Nothing very different. So IP route.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before we hit enter, 30 and 40 directly connected,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
10 and 20 source update is 30.254
Yes, sir.
on FA 0/0.
0.
That is what we should be expecting,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And further, keep remembering this is 24 on class full boundary.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
On the class full boundary. We haven't done anything else. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. And of course, we should show IP
IP
route,
protocol.
IP protocol. So, looking at this, what do we expect?
Same.
Right? What do we expect? Let's minimize this. What should this be saying? It should be saying that
This enter.
What interface is participating in RIP? This interface.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
interface
sir.
is participating. Advertising for network 30 and 40.
40.
Right? Passive interface
Zero
is
slash
slash
one.
1.
Slash one.
Right? Source of routing update 192.168.30.254.
Yes, sir.
That is what we should be seeing.
Yes, sir.
Right? And again, sending what version? Version 1.
Version one.
Out of which interface? This one.
Yes, sir.
And can receive 2 or 1.
Yes, sir.
That is what we should be seeing. Let's see. Right? Routing for network 30 and 40. As we said,
Yes, sir.
let's look from the top. Okay, same thing. Routing protocol.
3.
Interface is this.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Automatic network summarization is there.
Yes.
Passive interface it is declared 0/1.
Yes, sir.
192.168.30.254. Right? Okay. Now if I ask you a question, how do I find out which interface has been, give me 2 commands which will tell me, right, which interface has been configured for RIP passive interface. What are the 2 commands?
Sir, first is show running configuration,
Good.
and second is show IP protocols.
Right? This will show you. So here is the example of show IP protocols.
Yes, sir.
Right? And further show running
Running
configuration. Should show you here. Passive interface, fast Ethernet user. Clear all this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us try to change our topology a little bit. Okay.